How to change currency on Booking.com app. Welcome to this quick guide on how to change the currency in the Booking.com app. If you've ever found yourself needing to view prices in a different currency, this step-by-step walkthrough will make it effortless. To begin, open the Booking.com app on your device. Once inside, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This will open your account settings. Now, scroll through your profile page until you locate the section labeled Settings. Tap on it to access various configuration options available within the app. In the Settings menu, you'll see several customizable features. The one we're interested in is Currency. Tap on this option, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of available currencies. Here's where it gets even easier. If you know the currency you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate it. Once you've found the desired currency, simply select it, and the app will instantly update to display all prices in your chosen currency. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make browsing and booking more convenient by switching to the currency that works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.